Alrighty guys, here it is right here. 2019, I want to say. Caravan. Okay, clicky noise when turning. Now, first thing I thought was maybe, just maybe, we got some axle issues. But from what I told, it's not axle. Well, I don't like being told anything. You know why? Because I like to duplicate it. Alright. Let's see. Let's give it a little drive first. Always, guys, always duplicate your problems. Now, let me see if I can see what they talking about. Turn the radio off and... Oh, y'all hear that? Hold on. Oh, that ain't no ticking axle noises. I ain't even on a hard turn. All right, guys. Oh! Yep. When did the cousin Pookie work on this one? Something is loose on the suspension, guys. And y'all know what? This is a short video, so what I need y'all to do is stay tuned. I'm finna take this in the shop, put it in the air, and we're gonna check this suspension out. But we're gonna have to do it on a long video. I'm already out of time on this short video. So y'all stay tuned for the long video coming right up. Hey, let's get this baby. Oh, look at that, guys. I was right. Cousin Pookie just worked on this thing. Holy crap. They put new struts on it, y'all. See, I hate working behind these freaking losers. Look at those nice, pretty new struts. Now, we got a problem with... Y'all heard the noise, right? Okay, let's go up a little higher. Now, what did they do? Wrong, I guess. Well, number one, they didn't fix it because number one is here. Number two, that noise is bad. So it's amazing how they would try these other shops. That don't look like a Mopar strut. That look like a damn Derman strut. I see some orange up there. I see some aluminum. See that little piece of aluminum thing right there? That's a damn Derman strut. No wonder. JT, stop clowning around, man. Figure out what the hell. Alright, guys, I need both of my hands. Y'all know the typical front suspension check. We're going to check the bushings, ball joints, tie rods, rack. Because the noise happens when you... Now, you know what I'm wondering? If they replace these because of the noise. In other words, did they think this will fix it? Let me grab my pry bar. Oh my goodness. All right, I need to, I'm just messing around right now trying to see if anything obvious. Obvious checks I've obviously done from a visual standpoint. Why is this thing when you turn left and right, you get a weird ass noise? So I'm gonna let it down, not on the ground, but I need to be under this wheel, see if there's any play. Let me check some things, guys. I'm gonna need y'all to hold tight. Yeah, very well could be. Now, what I need to do, one thing I need to do is get some history on it. Okay, for instance, was this noise here before or after the struts? Because it's quite simple. If the noise showed up after the struts were installed, then these Derman struts just ain't no good. Okay, if you was trying to fix the noise with the strut, that's a different story. Yeah, history matters, guys. I need to go. Let's see. None of this gonna really cause the suspension. When I was doing this, I need both of my hands. Yeah, I need to do the 6 o'clock. What is it? 6, 12, and 3 and 9 o'clock special. Okay, or I can get a helper down here because I can't see if I'm doing it. I'm gonna get a one of the helpers to whoa. What the wait a minute. Oh no, did they not? Oh my goodness. That's not funny. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I know I ain't seeing what I'm seeing it. Guys. Wait a damn minute. You gotta be lying. Hold on. That is not funny, JT. Stop freaking. Let me see if I can do this at the same time. I'm betting that the boat's just loose. Holy crap. What about this side? I hear, what this side moving to? Oh my. It's not funny, man. Stop freaking laughing. You gotta be. So we'll put the struts on. Is this boat loose? No! Wait a minute. Look at that! Oh my God. Okay. Yes, Cousin Pookie strikes a freaking again. This is the noise, guys. This boat's not even tight. Oh my God. Look at that. These damn things just not tight. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Alright, so what I want to do, I can tighten that up. Guys, I'm allocated an hour, 1 hour diag anyway. Alright, I haven't been on this car an hour. Alright, no more than a little test drive and verifying. Now I'm on the lift. So this is my hour diagnostics. And that's why I see some of y'all will think that even that's a ripoff. It was right there in your face and you still gonna charge an hour? Yeah, man. We charge an hour to diagnose your car. I can't help it. You just left a Cousin Pookie shop and they did this. You got new struts. So obviously, now here's what I'm thinking, because before I was wondering, did they have the noise before they put the struts on or after? They had to have it after, because the damn wheels. Oh my goodness. Both of them. How the hell you miss? How the hell you? Like, why would you drive the boat on this far and stop? Like, no impact, just stop. You got to release the trigger for that nut to stop, especially if you got a wrench on the other side. It's like they gonna go this far and then they stop unintentionally? That can't be right. Ain't nobody that damn dumb or stupid. Or maybe they are. Alright, guys, I'm done here. I'm gonna let y'all know in the comment section what comes of this, because I'm gonna go up there and be honest with the manager and tell him what I found. That's my job. I get paid 1 hour to diagnose this car. Alright. He may want to go with repairing the suspension noise and doing the front end alignment. Who knows? Okay, because could alignment be off? Absolutely. You know these two boats. Now there's no tower here or no cam, eccentric cam here, so technically camber you can't really make camber adjustment like this. You need the kit to make this camber adjustable. How's that? Yeah, so but they still need to be torqued down and alignment need to be checked. Okay, so I'm guessing he's gonna tell me to tighten the connection 1 hour, do the alignment 1 hour, and there you go. That's a 2 hour job. But now what do they do by, like, I don't want to make this guy look bad. Like, yo, they left your boat slew. Okay, this is not my call, guys. This is not my shop. I don't make the rules here. So if this was Brothers Motors, yeah, all the rules would be in play. I would deal with this totally different. But is this on wrong? They literally did not tighten the damn wheel. Oh my God. All right, I'll let y'all know in the comment section what come of this, guys. I gotta go for now. This is crazy. Cousin Pookie strikes again. Thanks for watching. I gotta go.